Hi, I'm Giovanna from Atlassian. Let's understand the shadow mode in Rovo Dev CLI. Shadow mode in Rovo Dev CLI is a special operational mode designed for safe observation, auditing, or testing. When enabled, the CLI simulates actions, records what it would do, and provides outputs without making any real changes to your code, repositories, or external systems. Think of it as a dry run or read-only mode, perfect for previewing the effects of commands, validating automations, or demonstrating workflows without any risk. Start the CLI with the shadow mode flag. If I now run a command while Rovo Dev CLI is in the shadow mode, for example, what we have now are actions that are simulated and represent changes that would happen if it wasn't in the shadow mode. It does prompt you with the question if you would like to apply these changes. If you are, simply reply with yes.